Hello, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? Wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is, I hope you're having a great day. Yeah, let's just start off that way, okay? We're back today. We are going to try the NARS, what is it called? The Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And it comes in a jar like this. I do remember, sorry, my fingers are oily because I just cut my nails and I put cuticle oil on, so I'm not disgusting. But anyway, I do remember I tried this. As you can see, I'll open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. I got shade Ginger, medium 2 Ginger. So I have used this a couple times, but it's been a while and I don't remember if I liked it or not. And now that I have more of a concealer je ne sais quoi and more experience, as you would say, then I kind of wanted to try this out again because I never tried it on camera. I'm getting oil all over the lid. The top is really cool. It's like a matte cover. I don't love that it comes in a pot because I feel like it's kind of unsanitary. I mean, I guess the wands are unsanitary too because you're putting it on your face and then dipping it back in, but whatever. Okay, let's read about this and see what's going on with it first. Okay, on Sephora's website, it is $30. And there are tons and tons and tons of shades. We love that. They all do seem a little bit on the light side. Okay, highlights, full coverage, matte finish, good for acne blemishes. Good, because we have those still. Cream formula, long wearing, vegan. Got it. What it is, a full coverage, I don't know if I love a full coverage moment. Full coverage, oil-free concealer that conceals and blurs imperfections with a soft, matte, natural-looking finish. Coverage full, finish matte. For normal to dry, combination of oily skin, highlighted ingredients, peptides, reduce appearance of wrinkles and pores over time. Hyaluronic acid reduces appearance of wrinkles and pores. Antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E deliver daily defense. Free of sulfates, yada, yada, yada. Let's see, how do you use? Warm the product between your fingers and pat over imperfections for a second skin-like correction. Artist tip, soft matte complete concealer can be used as an eyeshadow base to help build a seamless canvas for your favorite NARS eyeshadow sold separately. Go fashion forward with this unexpected technique. Apply blush along the brow bone, moving toward the outer edges. Swipe down along the high point and cheekbones, creating a 7 shape around the eyes. Okay, we're not doing all that, but that was kind of crazy. Yeah. Okay, so it's $30, right? Is that what I said? Yeah, it's $30. I feel like it used to be more expensive. I got this shade Ginger, medium 2 Ginger again. We're just gonna go ahead and apply this bad boy. I don't think we're gonna warm it up with my fingers because they're really oily. I'm gonna take this brush that I've been using, the M173 Morphe, and we're just gonna dip lightly into it, get a little bit of product on there, and we're gonna apply to one side and we'll see how this works. Okay, I just got a small amount and a shade seems a little light for me. We'll just say that right now. And I do have to go to a work event, so this is gonna be great. I don't know why I do this to myself. I'm always like, yeah, I have to go somewhere important and I'm gonna try makeup. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if it's working that well. It's also a lot lighter. I think we're just gonna drag it down just a little bit. And we're gonna try to maybe just build up the coverage just a tad. We got some dark circles, Hanny. Okay. Well, what do you guys think? Done? Undone? I feel like, yeah, I did cover up some dark circles. I'm not like blown away by this at all. Okay, let's see how we're gonna dip back into it just a little bit and we're gonna try to conceal. Oh God, I got a lot. Okay, we gotta move this around. Where are my other pimples? Okay, ooh, 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 okay. We got a lot on the brush here. More than I expected. Try to blend this out. And it's not great that it's a lighter shade. Okay, we're gonna try to cover up these. It definitely softened my imperfections, but I still haven't done this eye yet, so you can really get a good look. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye and we'll see the finished product. Okay, I'm by no means blown away by this product. It's kind of hard to work with, and that might have been my fault that I didn't warm it up in between my hands first, but I don't know, I just don't like that. Like, your hands are dirty and you're wiping, and I don't know, I just prefer a brush. But here's the finished product. It's burning my eyes a little bit because I really got up in there. Yeah, so I'm not blown away by this. I'm not loving it by any means. I mean, it looks okay, but it's just not, I don't know. I don't think it's my vibe. Let's try to build this up in the inner corner just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with it. This might be the end of the line. I might not come back for a check-in because I'm gonna be coming back from this work thing. And I don't know, I can just already tell you that I don't really like it. As of right now, I'm gonna say no. There are definitely better concealers out there, especially for a higher end concealer, like $30. I would wanna see this work just a little bit better. I mean, there was that one that I like, what is it, the Alme is like $8 or something like that. I'm like, come on. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this review of the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. If you need any real estate help in the Denver metro area or in Colorado in general, I'm your man. I can help you with apartment leasing, buying, and selling. And all my contact information will be down below. Feel free to reach out, ask questions. I can be your resource. Thank you again for joining me, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.